What's going on, my YouTube family? This is a sneak peek of what we about to do today. You want to start by combing the hair out and loosening up the curl pattern so your clippers can glide through the hair evenly. You want to start by cutting the hair down to the desired length. Right here I got the number 1 guard on with the lever all the way closed, and I'm proceeding to cut the hair down going with the grain. Now I'm setting in my first guideline. This is going to be a low fade, so I'm using the corner of my client's eye to base my first guideline off of, and I'm dropping it down in the back. Remember to always clean your canvas so you can see your progress. To keep your fade leveled or symmetrical, the best way to do that is by splitting your first guideline in half. Meaning, start your guideline on one side of the head, stop in the back, and start that same guideline on the opposite side of the head and meet in the back. I'm starting my second guideline, no guard with the lever all the way open, going up about ½ an inch. Now I'm beginning to fade that first guideline into the second one with the lever all the way closed. Now I'm setting in my third guideline, going up about ½ an inch with my number 1 guard all the way open. Remember, once the hair starts to get longer, you want to start using a comb instead of the brush. Now I'm closing the lever on my number 1 guard to blend my second guideline into my third. Sometimes the number 1 guard will not fully get out that second guideline. So when we come back to detail the fade with either the half guard or the 000 speedo guard, that's gonna be the guard that fully gets that line out. Using a 1½ guard with the lever open, we're gonna start blending the fade into the haircut. Now we're closing the lever on the 1½ guard, creating a better transition in the fade, knocking out any dark areas that we see. As you can see, that number 1½ guard left a lot of dark areas, so I dropped down to the number 1 guard with the lever all the way open, attacking those dark areas that I see. Remember, I was telling you guys that that number 1 guard wasn't going to get that secondary guideline out all the way. So now I grab my 000 speedo guard to knock that line out. this point, I'm just detailing my work. I'm looking for any dark areas. I'm trying to make sure my fade is smooth. Everything is good to go. And this is the difference between a regular barber and a barber that actually values his work. Your client is a walking billboard for your business. So don't send your client out your door with just a good haircut. Send them out with a great one. Before you grab your trimmers, you want to make sure you clean off the hairline area so that it's free of sweat, debris, or any type of grease that may be in your way, so you can get that extreme crispiness like this here. Depending on your client, what I like to do right here is I like to use the end of your client's eyebrow to set your lineup off of. So if I were to keep going down towards his eyebrows with my trimmers would end up hitting the end of his eyebrow. So that's what you want to do to keep your lineup symmetrical. Once you grab your razor, you shouldn't be worried about lining your client up anymore. What you are worried about is getting those little stubble hairs that the trimmers left behind. Okay, YouTube, now I'm doing the final touch-ups, doing a little freehand trim with my lever all the way closed, no guard. Just add more detail to my haircut. But if you learned anything from this video, I hope it's of value to you. I'm gonna keep putting out content. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And also, any tools that I use in this video will be linked in the description below. Y'all stay blessed. MikeWillBlendIt. Peace out.